Next experiment is related to the dice. Experiment number 3. Only the one dice. So all of you know the shape of dice like this. Okay, so how many faces of the dice? So there are 6 faces. 6 faces of the dice. On each face there is a different types of the numbers. Okay, so the first one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here are 6 faces, and on the each faces there is a different numbers. So now we will discuss total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes will be 6. Okay, and the outcomes are what type of outcomes will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is all are about one dice. Okay, so कई बार तुसी गेम खेलते हो लूडो टाइप. So in the Ludo, when we will throw the dice, जो तुसी dice throw कर दियो, the only time one number will be represent on the top face. Okay, so maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, 4 or 5 or 6. Okay, but never be a 0 and never be a more than 6 like 7, 8, 9, 10. So only the chance will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is a experiment number 3 related to the one dice. Okay, so next experiment of 2 dice. Okay, so related to this we will throw 2 dice at a time. Okay, so first of all we will take first dice from this to this side, and the second die will be take from downside. Okay, so when we will throw first die, maybe 1 will come, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, and if we will throw second die, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so both side we will take the values. Okay, if first person throw the first die, then maybe in the 1 will come, and then 1 also in this side also 1 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, and the other side हुन जे next time जे throw करांगे, maybe in this part 1 2, 1 2, then 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Okay ji, so next one is in this case 2 1, 2 2, next one is 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. The meaning is the 2 5, 2 4, 2 6 means if this person throw the dice, maybe 3 will come, and in this side the second dice, the top face will represent 2 will come. So 2 3, so this side 2 and this side 3 numbers will come on the top of the face. Okay, same like in other. So 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 3 5, 3 6. These all are the situation in the case of 2 die. So total number of the outcomes in this case, total number of outcomes in this case, that is 6 from this side and 6 from downside. So total is 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36 situation will, so 36 outcomes in the case of 2 die. So these all are about the experiment related to the probability chapters. So experiment number 1 is related to 1 die, 1 coin, head and tail, and second experiment is related to two coins, and the third experiment is related to the 1 die, and the fourth one is our 2 dice. Okay, that's all to all.